Howdy TPDDL fans, and happy What Wednesday. Even though a recent Friday post just covered a little bit of today's what question, we felt that we should go into a little bit more detail over this particular topic since we get so many samples in at the clinic asking, what is this? Today we'll be answering that question. What is lichen? Lichen are not considered a true species, but instead are made up of a symbiotic relationship between one part filamentous fungi and one part algae, or blue-green bacteria. The fungus obtains water and minerals and protects the algal cells from desiccation, while the algae will photosynthesize and provide energy for the lichen. The composite body of a lichen is called a thallus, and that body is anchored to bark, soil, rock, and other substrate by hair-like growths called rhizines. You will find them minding their own while soaking up the sun. Color and growth form of the body is used to group and classify lichen. You will more commonly see the gray-green color of lichen species on trees, but you can also find orange, yellow, smoky blue, or black species. Lichen do not kill their host and are not considered to be pathogenic or pests, so there is no control method available. However, their presence could mean that the tree is not in good health and/or in stress. Look over your trees or shrubs to see if you notice anything else other than the lichen. If you see that your tree or shrub is in decline, you may want to send foliage and root samples into the clinic for diagnostic services. Even though the lichen are not aesthetically appealing, if you try to mechanically remove them, that could create a fresh wound for plant pathogens to call home. I am liking all this talk about lichens, and I'm sure they don't mind being in the spotlight. But with that being said, if you want to join in on this lichen fun or lichen talk, then go take some pictures of any lichen that you find either in your landscape or say in a public setting, and use the comment section for this video and post your picture. Happy lichen hunting, and I'll see you next week. Bye.